The key for every evil is the love of dunya, the love of this life. I need to live because Allah created me, alhamdulillah. But as I live, I need to know the reality of this temporary home I'm living in. And a beautiful saying related to Sayyidina Isa alayhi salam, he said, he saw this world, this dunya, and came to him in the form of an ugly old lady. Ugly old lady. But this ugly old lady, basically wearing all the beautiful jewelries. And the dialogue says, Sayyidina Isa asked this woman, which is basically is a parable of this life. And he said, how many you married? Kam tazawwajti? How many you got married to? And she responded, I don't know the number. I can't count them. There are too many. And then he asked her, all of them died or they divorced you? Dunya answered and says, no, I killed them. I killed them. And Sayyidina Isa said, whoa, for all the other husbands, didn't they know that you killed the husbands before? How did they not learn? I hope you understand what I'm saying. Basically, we live every day and we see people dying. We pray for their janazah. Some of us may wash the body and we see they are going. This dunya will not keep people living forever. But still we fall in the same trap, the love of dunya. And the love of dunya meaning when we favor the dunya over our akhirah, when we favor this life over the hereafter, when I disobey Allah. And the key for every evil is the love for this dunya. Most of the scholars advise that live in the morning and teach yourself and remind yourself you're not going to be waking up. You're not going to be living to the evening. And in the evening when you go to bed, remind yourself you may not wake up. So I live the moment knowing this is my last moment. And it's a very good exercise to teach ourselves. If somebody asks you or ask me, and somebody come and tell me, in 1 hour, you'll be dead. In 1 hour, what will I and you be doing? So the more we focus on the akhirah, my life or my living in this life will be exactly a bridge. And this is how also scholars say, dunya qantara. This life is a bridge that we cross it to the akhirah. Or it's a farm where we plant and we take or we get the harvest in the hereafter. So the more I love it, the more I am attached to it, the more I want, the more my focus is only about this, how much money I have, the bank account, my children, my beauty, my wealth, my career. From morning to evening, my akhirah will suffer. And the first thing suffers, we all see, is our salah. How many times we miss our salah, or we do it just doing it because we are busy doing other things, we're tired. And yes, there is things we have to do, but we have to remember our akhirah. And the worst part is when what Allah gave me in this dunya to enjoy, I use it for His disobedience. Or when I don't have things, then I start disobeying Allah to have what other people have. Or I disobey Allah to be like everybody. Hubbud dunya, the love of this life.